Roy Cooper commuting the sentences of 15 people on North Carolina's death row. They'll now serve life. He made the decision just before leaving office. CBS 17's Dina Harley is looking into this move, learning how it could affect other death row inmates going forward.
One final act of 2024 and before leaving office. Now former Governor Roy Cooper commuting the death sentences of 15 people sitting on death row in North Carolina. Anti-death penalty advocates say it's historic.
It's an incredible message of hope, I think, for those of us who are working to end the death penalty.
One of the sentences is that of Hassan Bacote. Bacote was sentenced to death in 2007 after being convicted of murder. In 2024, he was the first person in the state to have his case reheard under the Racial Justice Act, arguing that his sentence was the result of racism in Johnson County. So now, with his sentence commuted, what happens to that case?
The primary form of relief that Mr. Bacote was seeking in that case, was a life sentence. But the issues raised go beyond just the sentencing issue. So we will be asking the judge to still issue a ruling.
There are still dozens of people waiting to have their cases heard under the RJA. Cassie Stubbs, an attorney with the ACLU, is hopeful the move by the former governor can help get more people off death row.
Some of the other issues that Governor Cooper cited, like racial bias, that, of course, is the issue in the Racial Justice Act litigation. And that's incredibly systemic.
When commuting the sentences, Cooper also mentioned how several of the defendants had been charged and then sentenced to death under the age of 21. Dina Harley, CBS 17 News.